My dear fellow pilgrims, the Jubilee year gave us enough and more opportunities to be signs of hope to the prisoners and their families, to the sick and the elderly, to the poor and the migrants, to persons with disabilities, and to the youth caught up in diverse forms of abuses. In this year's pastoral letter, our Archbishop has given us a fruitful exhortation to be signs of hope to different categories of people and also to God's creation with a few fruitful, practical suggestions. St. Paul, writing to the Romans, says, "We know that the whole creation has been groaning together as it suffers. Therefore, today, more than ever, God invites us to rediscover our sacred duty as stewards of creation and to restore the hope of God's creation. The earth is not simply a resource to be used. It is a marvelous gift to be cherished, a common home entrusted to our love and protection. Let us embrace this mission with the acronym CARE, C-A-R-E. C stands for cherish. Cherish God's creation. Creation is God's first revelation. His beauty, goodness, and love expressed through mountains and rivers, forests and seas, birds and every living being. To cherish creation is to look at the world with gratitude and to see every creature as part of God's masterpiece. The second letter is A, act. Act responsibly. Stewardship demands action. Small steps such as reducing waste, saving water, planting trees, using resources wisely, and choosing sustainable habits become powerful signs of a commitment to action. When we act responsibly, we heal the wounds of the earth and protect the future of the generations to come. The third letter is R, respect. Respect all life. Every form of life carries with it dignity and purpose. Respecting life means avoiding attitudes of exploitation of the poor, the voiceless, the marginalized, the vulnerable, and adopting attitudes of compassion and care, irrespective of caste, creed, or religion. As Pope Francis reminds us in Laudato Si, everything is interconnected. When we respect creation, we honor the Creator. And finally, the last letter, my dear friends, is E. Educate and encourage others. Our mission does not end with our personal efforts. We are called to educate and encourage our families, our schools, our institutions, our communities, and our workplaces to care for the environment and journey with hope. When one heart awakens, many others follow. When one person changes, entire communities are transformed. In the book of Psalms, we have Psalm 104, in which the psalmist prays to God, Lord, send forth your Spirit and renew the face of the earth. हे सृष्टीचें रूप नवें करूंक, हे सृष्टीक आमी सगळीं बरो आशाची यात्रेकारां जावंक ह्या मिसांत बायोन फ्रांसीस शावेराक फुडें घालून आमकां खिरीत देवाची कृपा मागुया.